If you're thinking about using Sendible for social media management, there are a few key things you need to know before you commit. We'll go through 12 important points so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business, especially when compared to other platforms like Hootsuite, Buffer, and Sprout Social. The first thing to consider is the pricing. Sendible is on the pricier side when compared to others like Buffer, but it does offer a lot of features that justify the cost. Depending on your needs, Sendible may seem more affordable if you need a comprehensive tool that can handle multiple platforms. Next thing is the user interface. It's clean and intuitive, but some users find it a bit crowded, especially when compared to more minimalistic tools like Buffer. If you're used to simplicity, Sendible might take a little bit of time to get accustomed to, but it does offer a lot of customization options for your dashboard, which can be a huge plus. The third thing to know is that Sendible supports a wide range of social platforms. Unlike some competitors that limit the number of platforms you can manage, Sendible supports everything from Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to LinkedIn, Pinterest, and even YouTube. This broad support is ideal for businesses that need to manage a diverse social media presence. The fourth thing is scheduling. Sendible offers robust scheduling features with an easy-to-use calendar interface, but where it really stands out is the ability to schedule posts for multiple platforms at once, something that can be a bit clunkier in tools like Sprout Social or Buffer. The fifth thing to consider is the content suggestion feature. It helps you find trending topics to engage your audience with, a feature not as common in other platforms. This is great for businesses that need fresh content ideas quickly and easily. Next thing is its reporting and analytics. Sendible offers in-depth analytics, but it's not as advanced as Sprout Social. However, it gives you enough data to track engagement, follower growth, and post performance across different platforms, which is key to improving your social media strategy. The seventh thing to know is about integrations. Sendible integrates with a lot of tools, including Canva, Google Drive, and Dropbox, which makes it easier to manage and share assets directly from within the platform. However, if you use a lot of niche tools, you may find the integration somewhat limited compared to a more customizable platform like Hootsuite. The eighth thing is its mobile app. While Sendible's mobile app works well for scheduling and monitoring posts, it's not as smooth or feature-rich as Buffer's or Hootsuite's mobile apps, which could be a downside for teams that rely on mobile management. The ninth thing is customer support. Sendible offers 24/7 support, but it's not as fast or responsive as some competitors like Sprout Social. If you're running a business and need immediate help, this could be a factor to consider. The 10th thing is the team collaboration features. Sendible does a great job with team workflows and permissions, allowing multiple users to collaborate and approve posts before they go live. It's much better than some alternatives like Buffer when it comes to working with larger teams. The 11th thing is the automation features. Sendible offers a few automation options, but they're not as powerful as some of the more specialized platforms like AgriPulse. If you're looking for advanced automation, Sendible might not be your best bet. And finally, Sendible's free trial. While you can test out the platform with a 30-day trial, keep in mind that its pricing may not fit into everyone's budget, especially if you're a small business or just starting out. So, is Sendible worth it? It's a solid option for businesses that need a reliable, feature-rich platform to manage social media accounts across multiple channels. However, if you want something that's a bit more affordable or easier to use, we recommend checking out our solution that you can try for free.